the Lozzie and Sozzie Show!
Hi everyone,
Hi boys and girls!
Listen, we've got to decide today who's having that ticket. We can't go on anymore.
I'm just tired of this now. Just make your decision.
Well, the party's tonight, isn't it? It's tonight.
Well, I think I'll just leave it with you.
No! Oh, the phone's going. Lozzie, where are you going? Lozzie!
Oh,
Unbelievable.
hello.
Hey, hiya Lozzie, is that you?
Oh, hi Marlena.
I'm afraid my party's cancelled.
What do you mean it's cancelled?
You know, cancelled, kaput, no more.
Well, I'll tell you something, that is not good enough. What about all our organisational skills?
Organisation? You're having a giraffe, aren't you?
We have been interviewing people. We've been preparing. Sozzie's done my head in all week, and now you're telling me it's cancelled?
Listen, I'm in demand. I'm a great artiste, as well as being a premier personal trainer in the area. I've had an audition. I've been selected for the National Opera of Bognor Regis.
Are you sure about that?
I'll do you a bit now. Are you ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder where you are. She's gone. She's well, Gel, she is.
Right, can you believe this?
What?
I just had a phone call,
Have you gone, Lozzie? Oh, there.
and it was Marlena.
Yeah.
And she's cancelled the party because she's got in some silly opera because she thinks she can sing and she can't. And she just sacked us off. So I said, we've done all the organising, we've done this, we've done that, you've done my head in. And she said, tough, basically.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to bed.
You are not going to bed. We have to sort this out. The party was supposed to be tonight. Oh, no.
Can we not lock the door and just pretend we're not in?
No. You'll have to ring everyone and let them know.
Why do I have to ring everyone?
I know. Why don't we still have the party?
And do what?
I don't know. Well, we'll need some food, won't we? And
It's Halloween in a couple of weeks. We could do Halloween food and have a theme.
oh yeah, that's
a good idea.
Trouble is, we haven't got any Halloween food in. Somebody at the door. Knock, knock, knock. Who's at the door? Let's go and see. Knock, knock, knock. Who's at the door?
Could it be?
Let's hope it's somebody to help with the party. You get on the phone. I'll go and see who's at the door.
You're very bossy, you know.
Wonder who this is. Let's have a look. Oh, hello. Is that for us?
Yes, but oh, let me see. Oh, nice! Yeah!
Bye. Looks like we've got the food for tonight. Ooh,
Who was that?
it was the squeaky baker. We've got loads of things for tonight. What are you doing?
Eating.
No, come away. We've got to get on with this. Come on. Oh, There's loads and loads and loads of stuff in here. What can we make it spooky? So we've got some hot dog buns and bananas.
Sweeties!
No. What kind of sweets have we got? Straws and laces and rainbows. Some chocolate biscuits. Veggie hot dogs, obviously. Ring donuts. Ketchup, yeah.
Eye decorations.
Edible eyes.
Eyeball lollipop.
Oh wow.
What are you planning on doing with these? Fizzy fangs. Eyeballs again.
Oh.
Popping corn.
Wow.
Chocolate crispies. Jellies. Ooh. Oranges.
You like oranges?
I like sweets small.
Oranges are sweet, they're nice, they're good for you. And some green jelly. Let me have a think what we can make. I think we should start with some banana ghosts.
Banana ghosts? How are you going to do that?
Spooky banana ghosts! Have a look at this. So, your hands need to be clean, and then you take a banana.
I like to fill mine up with chocolate.
Well, this one's going to have chocolate eyes. And then what you do is you slice it all the way down. You need to get a grown-up to help you. Like that. And then at the bottom, we're going to make it all like the bottom of a ghost. Like that. And we're going to have 2 eyes. You just press them in.
Looks like a banana boat.
It does at the moment. And then the mouth.
Oh, that's good. Does it stand up?
No, it's too wobbly to stand up, but look. Woo! I'm a banana ghost.
Oh, what's next?
I know. Let's do some wiggly worms in soil.
Yeah.
You need to make the soil. You're going to need to bash it. Come on, I'll show you. Right, Lozzie, you need to put some biscuits in the tin foil.
Oh, I like worms.
They're lovely chocolate biscuits.
Is that enough?
That's enough. And now you need to cover it up with the foil, like in a parcel. You can do it in a plastic bag as well. And now bash it with the rolling pin.
This is my favourite bit. I'll pretend it's Sozzie when she's getting on my nerves.
Well, that's not very nice, is it?
What a waste of biscuits.
Now put all the chocolate soil that you've just made onto the plate.
Look at that. Wow.
And now you want your wiggly worms, which are going to be your sweet laces.
What a great idea.
And make them look like they're going in and out of the soil. Ew, spooky! There's different coloured ones as well, Lozzie. There's some rainbow ones and some red ones as well.
Maybe we could chop some and have baby worms. Baby worms. How cool is that?
Really good. Now, the next thing we're going to do is some eyeballs in jelly.
Yeah!
Right, we're going to do some eyeballs in jelly. So we've got green jelly, because it's nice and spooky. And then what we're going to do is put it in the bowl like that. Oh, it's all watery. Oh, chop it up.
I've never seen green jelly before.
It's lime, lemon and lime. It smells amazing. In we go with that one. I think we'll only need one bowl. Look at that, look at that. Oh! And then what we're going to do is get our candy eyeballs and we're going to put them in. Like they're floating in brains. Oh, get a green one in the middle. What do you think?
Awesome.
So good. Okay, we're going to make some mini pumpkins now. And we're going to do it from these tangerines. So I'm just going to peel them. They smell amazing when you peel them. It sort of looks like a pumpkin. And then, if you've got green apples, it might work a little bit better. You just cut a little bit off. And that is the stalk. What do you think?
I'm not eating one.
They do smell nice though, Lozzie.
I'm going to eat them bad boys. What's next? What's next?
Next is some devilish demon donuts.
Ooh, let's see.
So, we've got a ring donut. And we're going to put some eyes on it.
Can you get these from any shops?
Yeah, this is all from the supermarket. And if you didn't have these eyes, you could use, you know, like chocolate chips like we did for the ghost ones. Okay, so we're going to put the eyes on there. Like that.
Spooky.
And we're going to put some fangs on. Look.
How cool is that?
I'm a devilish demon donut. Rah.
Awesome they are. Everything's so good.
And so easy as well.
Well done, Sozzie.
Thanks, Lozzie.
They got any more?
Oh yeah, we've got more to come. We've got some Halloween popcorn and we're going to put worms in that as well. And we've got some witch's fingers, veggie hot dogs, and the tomato sauce is going to be the blood.
Right. Let's go with the
Lozzie?
popcorn. I don't think we need to use that bag as well, do we?
No.
And then
Lozzie, you're not supposed to be eating it as you go along.
I'm making sure it tastes nice before we eat it.
Really?
Yeah. And then stick our little worms in there. And then a big daddy worm.
And what about the eyeball lollipops? They could be sticking out.
Oh, that's amazing.
Ah! It looks like an actual monster. Excellent. Shall we do the witch's fingers hot dogs then? Come on then.
Right, what are we doing now?
So, we've cooked the hot dogs, and you have to be careful when they're cooked. They're quite hot, and we're going to cut out a bit as if it's a fingernail.
Ew.
So, let's do it at the other end. You cut like a square shape, And then you very carefully cut it out. You probably need to get a grown-up to help you. Look, it looks like a fingernail. We put the lines on the finger and the knuckle.
Hold it up. Oh.
And then in the bun, you cut it all the way down and you're going to put the blood, which is the tomato ketchup. And I'm going to put loads on. Oh! And I'll have it dripping down the side. And look, here's the finger. And we'll put some on the top as well.
That's disgusting.
It's a witch's finger. Ew.
Well done, Sozzie. I've really enjoyed it.
Oh, it looks fantastic, doesn't it? I can't wait for them to see it tonight. They're going to love it.
Tonight?
Well, yeah, the party's tonight, isn't it? That's why we've done the food now.
Oh, I told them tomorrow night.
Why did you do that?
I don't know.
Well, just ring them and tell them it's tonight instead.
Well, I don't think they could come tonight anyway.
Lozzie, have I done all this for this? For no reason whatsoever? I mean, oh, Lozzie!
She's bossy, isn't she, children? Well, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Might as well eat these sweets, don't I?